Hi, my name is Kheng Yean. Today I'm going to present my teaching demo. The topic that I'm going to present is integration. Okay, the integration that I'm going to teach is not the basic integration. I think it's integration too. Okay, so there are two types of integral. I'm sure that you already know, which are indefinite and definite. Indefinite is defined as no limits. What is no limits? No limit means that it's from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, definite. Definite means it has limits. Okay, it's from A to B. Okay, okay, A to B is the interval and it means the definite lah. Okay, so this is the general integration solution, which is the integrating fx respect to x, you will be getting gx plus c. Okay, fx is integral, gx is the integrated function, c is the constant, and dx. What's dx? Dx is indicated as the variable with respect to which we are integrating. Okay, I'm sure you already know this also. Okay, here is the main part. Technique of integrations. There are three techniques of integration, which are integration by parts, substitution method, and partial fraction. For now, I will be presenting integration by parts. Okay, integration by parts. We'll be directly move forward to the formula. Okay, this is the formula of integration by part lah. Okay, sorry. Okay, you might be wondering, or you might be don't understand this formula. But to be honest, actually, you just memorize this formula will do. But I will still explain. Okay. Before learning integration, you will be learning differentiation, right? So, if you differentiate the fx gx, you will be getting fx g prime x plus gx f prime x, which is the first equation. Okay. So, by doing reverse method, we call it as integration. Here, by integrating this one, you will be get back fx gx. Okay. By rearranging the equation, you will be getting this one, the second equation, which is integrating fx g prime x dx equal to fx gx minus integrating gx f prime x to respect to of x. Okay. How you get the second equation here? Okay. From this equation, you can see by taking this whole thing to the right side, you will be getting this one. Okay. To remember easily, we just let u equal to fx and v equal to gx, and hence we will be getting this one. Okay. So remember to memorize this formula lah. Okay. Now we will proceed to the first question, the first example. Okay. This is the question lah, and the left side is the solution. But I will also explain the solution on the right side. Okay. This is the example lah. Okay. And from the formula here, u dv equal to uv minus v du. Okay. Okay, so for now, we just need to compare this one to the example. Okay, the first step for the integration by part, we separate both sides lah, u and dv equal to. Okay, remember, for the dv, the right side, you must have a d, whatever variable. For this for this question is x. So we put the x here. Okay, so actually we can choose either x or sine x. We have two variables here. Okay, either you want to choose x is equal to u or sine x is equal to u, or x is equal to dv or sine x is equal to dv. Okay, the tips I'm using is for the u one, this u, we will be solving the easier part lah. Okay, so x and sine x, to be honest, x is easier, right? So you just write x here and then sine x here. Okay, for u equal to x, we will be doing differentiation. So du, by differentiating x, you'll be getting 1. So it's equal to dx. And then for here, the dv one, we will be doing integration. So v is equal to what? By integrating sine x, you will be getting negative cos x. Okay, so by rewriting the formula, this one, the left side is our question lah. Okay, and now we just do substitution method. U is equal to x, so we rewrite it x, and v is equal to negative cos x minus v again, negative cos x. What is du? Du is equal to dx in this case. Okay, by simplifying it, we'll be getting cos x. Negative negative is equal to positive lah. Okay, so now we just need to complete the equation. Rewrite it, negative x cos x plus integrating cosine x, we will be getting sine x. Okay, and also remember to add the constant here. Okay, and comparing to the solution and my solution, this is the same. Okay, here is the second example, and this is the question. Okay, from here we can see that it's quite complicated since the sine x and the cos x has a higher power. So when you see these kind of questions, the first thought came into our mind is cos 2x plus sine 2x is equal to 1. Okay, you need to remember this is quite important actually. And then so now, for now, we no need to do the integration part yet. We need to simplify the equation. Okay, for this situation, okay, from the first equation, by comparing, you will be getting sine 2x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. So we can simplify it by doing this. Sine x times cos 2x. Okay. You might be wondering why is sine 2x to the power of whole thing to the power of 2 and times sine x. Okay. So we can, I will show you. This is equal to sine 2x and rewriting this one sine x. So actually it's still equal to sine 5x. Okay. And now we can substitute this one. 1 minus cos 2x in the bracket of, and then power of 2 sine x cos 2x. Okay. And then we add on the integration part because we need to solve the integration one. Okay, so how we need to do integration for this one? Okay, for as the previous one, it's quite a little bit different lah from this one. It's a little bit different. Okay, but it's okay. We still need to use this method to do the integration by parts, by letting this one to simplify the whole solution. Okay, we just need to let u is equal to cos x. Okay, and then du by differentiating cos x, you'll be getting negative sine x dx. And here we can see this is the sine x, this is the dx, and which means that sine x dx is equal to negative du. Okay, so we just simplify it by substituting cos x is equal to u, and then you will be getting 1 minus u square in the bracket and then square again, and then u square, and then remember sine x dx is equal to negative du. Okay, negative you can just put it here, and then by expanding you will be getting 1 minus 2u square plus u4, and then expand again, negative 1 minus, sorry, still expand again, negative u6 du. Okay, now we can do the simple integration, the basic part. Copy first. The basic integration. Okay, and remember u is equal to cos x, right? Yeah, and then by integrating you will be getting, and then 2u5 divided 5, 9 minus u7 divided by 7, and then remember the constant. Okay, so you just substitute back u is equal to cos x, you will be getting cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2 cos 5x divided by 5 and cos 7x divided by 7 plus constant. And now we compare with the answer. Okay, it's correct. And now we proceed to the next question. Okay, this is the integration by part. So firstly, this is the question and then this is the answer. Okay, now I will start solving lah, and then you can refer. So remember the formula. U dv is equal to uv minus v du. It's always okay to check back lah. Okay, and now we can do comparison. Okay, from here, by differentiating ln x is easier compared to x squared. So I will be letting u is equal to ln x, and then dv is equal to x2 dx. Okay, you can say why you want to put like this. Okay, if I put like this lah, dv equal to ln x dx. Okay, you can see it's quite hard to integrate ln x. That's why I choose to integrate x squared. Okay, now we can do. It's quite easy. Du is equal to 1 per x. Differentiating ln x is 1 per x dx. And v is equal to x3 plus 3. Okay, For here, you need to add the constant first. You just need to add the constant at the end of your final answer. Okay, so by comparing, it's equal to this one. Okay, yeah. So actually it's equal to u v minus v du. By substituting, ln x is equal to u, v is equal to x3, 3, and then minus, what is v? V is x3, 3, and then what is du? Du is 1 per x dx. Okay, now just simplify it. I will take it in front, this one. Minus, simplify, you'll be getting x squared 3 dx. Okay, now integrate this part. Minus, divided by 3 again. Okay, remember to add a constant. You still can expand lah. So here is the final answer. x3 divided by 3 ln x minus x3 divided by 3. Sorry, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus c. This is the final answer. It's same with the schema answer. Okay, that's all from me. This is my teaching demo. Okay, thank you.